to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow.
What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. In tonight's quick episode, guys, I'm gonna be taking you through all my range of ropes. Simply because I've been getting a ton of emails recently from new followers, new subscribers, and as this brand and the vision and our follower count grows, obviously a lot of people that want to get into skipping want to know what all these ropes are all about. Which one's best for them, which one's best for their training, their physiques, you name it. I get a ton of messages every single day asking me, what rope is best for me, Rush. So this video is going to be for that reason. What we're going to start with is pretty much my first rope to my last rope. We've got 4 lines of ropes now, and over the last 2 years since Rush Athletics has been trading, we have brought out a variety of lines to help accommodate every single type of fitness enthusiast we can think of, and we've got loads more lines coming out in the future for sure as we grow. Guys, we're going to start off with the infamous, the iconic money rope. This is the RA Speed rope, guys. This is the main kind of rope for our brand. It's the rope that has, for me, helped build this community. It's the rope that was used by Floyd Mayweather as well in his recent skipping video, so it means a lot to me in that sense. And of course, as you guys know, especially the OG subscribers, that Floyd was my inspiration for picking up a jump rope, picking up a skipping rope, and his methods, his skills was the reason that was my inspiration to what created Rush Athletics. So this rope was kind of like dedicated to him. That's why it was called kind of the money rope. And yeah, this year he started using it, which was just insane. So this rope, guys, what it is, right? I'm gonna take you through kind of the pros and cons of each rope. I don't want this video to go on for too long, but this is our entry level rope. This is the rope that I wanted to create to just help create. No, don't call me now. I'm busy. Ron, brother, I'm just recording, bro. I'm gonna have to call you back, yeah? Cheers, man. Bye. This is our entry level rope. This is the rope that I wanted everyone to have access to get every single type of kind of fitness enthusiast involved into skipping. And that is why I'm starting with this rope. This is for all levels, guys. So if you're interested in getting into skipping, this will help you kind of pull off tricks, get a good workout, get a good sweat on. It has incredible ergonomic handles, which just makes the feel just so much more superior and comfortable than any other kind of plastic skipping rope out there. Everyone thinks that all these type of ropes are very generic, but in fact they are very different as well at the same time. Our vinyl is very premium, so it just moves and cuts through air a lot different. And in general, you can size it really quickly. It can be used by everyone in any type of body shape, any size, and you will get amazing results if you know how to use it. You could do double unders, you could do crossovers, you could do all types of kind of Mayweather moves, combinations. The pros going forward, like, it's always going to be our cheapest rope, and again, it's always going to get a lot more people into skipping for me because it just is so accessible. The cons or the drawbacks, I can't really think of too many, apart from the fact that if you want to do kind of freestyle movements like chuck the rope, catch it, releases, and you need kind of more robust handles, because this is not made to be thrown or like just to leave your hand in general. You're going to keep it in your hand and skip. Right, moving on, guys. The next rope that we created was the Legacy rope. Now this is a phenomenal rope. This is what it looks like. It's a beast of a rope. It's a beast of a rope, and it's a heavy rope. It was made for power, strength, and stamina. All the weight is within the vinyl, within the 10mm thick rope. Compared to the money rope, which is 5mm, this is double the size. And again, we went for very ergonomic handles. You've got the logo embossed. You probably won't see it, but it's embossed into the handles. You've got a small bearing inside here, which allows the rope to rotate really nicely. And it's just a brilliant rope. Like I said, if you want to intensify your workouts, if you really want to get a mega sweat on, if you want to build on your stamina, your strength, it's really made for those who want to just take their workouts to another dimension, and also kind of elite athletes as well who want to get that edge over opponents in whatever sport they're in. And what I just love about it, guys, is that you can complement it with with your speed rope, and you can really change up your workouts. You can kind of go from this to then the kind of lighter ones, and it's just a really nice additional rope to have in your bag. Kind of the drawbacks, if there was to be any drawbacks, is the fact that some might say it's not really made for kind of women. I've heard as well, but I've seen women use this comfortably, just simply because of its size and weight, or less stronger people. And then for that reason, for real, like this is the more kind of entry level rope, so I can kind of understand that. But this is really good as well for finding good technique. You can still do skills with it, crossovers, double unders, but it's going to really make you push yourself, and that's what I really love about this this rope. So that is this rope, if that kind of helps. The next rope that we created was in fact the tech rope. That is the tech rope. It's our first digital rope concept. I've got an open one here. So the tech rope comes with a Bluetooth handle with an LCD screen, and it comes with two cables, 4mm thick on the cables, and this one actually has a wire. It's like a PVC coated wire cable, so a little bit different to the money rope or the speed rope. But this is really good for those who don't really care too much about the fancy tricks, the double unders, the crossovers, the behind the backs, anything like that. They just want to get a skipping workout, literally jump rope, right? Jump over the rope, and they want to track their progress, track their calories, the number of skips, set themselves targets. It's got a timer, and it's just made for that kind of fitness enthusiast who just really needs a bit of push, bit of motivation to get their workouts done or get it, uploaded, and then they can track it. So this kind of linked to an app, and it's really easy to use. It's a very simple rope, and like I said, like if you want to go out and smack out 1,000 skips or 500 double unders, you can just set it and on your phone you can get it done. It will start beeping, you've done it, you've finished, and then it record it, log it, and it's a very good rope, man. Like I said, it's all our ropes are made just for different types of people. But the only drawbacks I would say is that you can't do releases with this. You can't do kind of tricks, because if you drop the handle, you're probably going to break it. On top of that, if you're trying to do kind of more intensive workouts, then you probably want to be better off going for the legacy rope, because this 4mm rope is quite quick. The good thing is that you can actually put in the money rope cable into this handle, so it's still versatile, but you just want to jump with this, you want to skip with this, and you want to record your workout. So that's what's great about the tech rope. Love this packaging as well, by the way. Last but not least, we have the Icon rope. This is our first ever freestyle rope concept, long handle concept. This is what it looks like if you haven't seen it before. And this comes with two cables. This rope comes with a beaded option. It's a soft beaded rope, and it comes with a speed rope, 4mm rope there. And this rope is all about kind of feel, comfort, releases, tricks. It's just everything you want in a rope that you can just throw around, try and catch it. It's made from polycarbonate composition, which is very different to our money rope handle or kind of the legacy rope handle as well. It's so robust, as robust as we can make it, of course, but it's just because obviously it's going to be chucked around and thrown about, so that's why we went with that. It also comes with kind of grip tape, so you can grip the handles as well, and again added kind of protection. The soft beads are very different to kind of most market long handle freestyle ropes. Normally it's kind of like a hard bead here, but we went with soft bead, which we felt was more better on the comfort and the feel of doing your tricks and manipulations. And then we also added the speed rope, so if you wanted to have that kind of workout feel, that kind of speed rope feel, the kind of money rope feel to do kind of normal tricks or boxer steps and things like that, you can still do it with this rope. So that is the main pro of this rope, is that you can actually really do a lot of tricks, because because it's longer, you can kind of get your hands across less to do a crossover, for example. You don't need to cross so wide. You can just go here and you can make a nice cross. You can still do tricks, you can still make really nice routines, but at the same time you can get a good workout, because the polycarbonate is a little bit heavier than the money rope, right? So it's not as heavy as the kind of legacy rope, just making a lot of mess here and noise, but it's a little bit heavier. So with the beads as well, this rope can go up to about 180 grams, which means it's still a nice workout for someone who wants to get a big sweat on. And to be honest with you, all these ropes that I've covered, guys, is you're going to get workouts. With every single one of these ropes, you're going to get a good workout, you're going to get a good sweat. None of these ropes needs to be operated by anyone who's like advanced or knows how to like operate a rope. So that's the good thing, that anyone, any level can use it. The only thing that changes in terms of levels is those who want to kind of change their style. So for example, if you want to be a more freestyle kind of jump rope or a skipper, you go for the Icon rope. If you want to be more boxer, more Mayweather, more kind of a la Rush style, you go for the money rope, or even the legacy rope if you want to kind of intensify your workouts. Tech rope, like I said, is just for those who just want to get their skip on, track their progress. So you've got everything here, guys. So this was a quick video. Hopefully it's not too long, to be fair. I've been talking a lot as always. But yeah, if you want me to go over another rope in more detail, I will get that done. So comment down below. Let me know as well, and let the family know what rope you guys are using. Just comment down below. Just say what you're using, the money rope, legacy rope, whatever it is, and it will help these newbies and everyone else getting involved in skipping know what is hot out there. For me personally, if you're wondering, I use every single one of these ropes. However, I will use mostly the money rope and legacy rope in particular when I am training. And I do touch on the icon rope, but to be honest, I made this for you guys, for the community who were crying out for this rope. And I do use the tech rope as well. I'm gonna be bringing out some more videos with the tech rope. I have started using this more in my workouts, and that's been really fun. So guys, I think I'm gonna close the video off there. All the links and everything are down below. Make sure you use YouTube 10 for 10% discount on our website. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, this movement and vision. Help us grow this community. It's just phenomenal to see everyone around the world flying like bosses. And yeah, a lot more tutorials to come this week, so stay tuned. So guys, without further ado, I'm gonna see you in that next video. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.